In this video, you'll learn how to send an invoice on eBay. This process will help you efficiently manage transactions and ensure buyers have the necessary payment details. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the My eBay section, which you can find at the top right corner of the eBay homepage. After clicking on My eBay, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Sold option. This will direct you to a list of items you've sold. Once you are in the Sold section, scroll through the list to locate the specific transaction for which you wish to send an invoice. Each entry will display relevant details about the sale, such as the item title and the buyer's information. Confirm that you've selected the correct transaction before proceeding to the next step. Next, look for the options related to the transaction. You should see a button labeled Send Invoice or Request Payment. Click on this button to initiate the invoice creation process. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can customize the invoice to fit your needs. On the invoice creation screen, you will have the option to add shipping costs, supplier discounts, or include taxes if necessary. Ensure that all details are accurate, as this will be sent to the buyer. Take a moment to review the information you have entered, making any adjustments to ensure clarity. Once you are satisfied with the invoice details, proceed to send it to the buyer. After clicking the send button, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the invoice has been successfully sent. It is important to monitor for payment confirmation from the buyer to complete the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.